looking for a school that nurtures your potential, fuel your passion, and empowered you to lead with purpose? At Benigno V. Aldana National High School, we don't just educate, we elevate, step in, stand tall, and shape the future.
Ready to rise? Regular classes at Benigno Vialdana National High School are more than lessons. They're your launchpad to leadership, growth, and success. Step in with purpose. Learn with passion. Graduate with pride. In regular class, we have different departments. We have Filipino, English, MAPE, TLE, AP, ESP, Science, and Math.
If you love math and solving, then SPM is for you. The special program in mathematics focuses on improving the students' analytical, logical, and mathematical skills. They have two extra subjects that both focuses on different strands in mathematics. On top of that, they have the finest mathematics teacher to ensure that they are learning from the best.
Unlock your genius. Lead with innovation at Benigno V. Aldana National High School. SPA program students don't just learn, they compete, create, and conquer. From robotics to research, our young scientists have earned medals on the international stage like the Hong Kong International Science Olympic. Be bold, be brilliant, be Benignans.
Fuel your future with STEM. At Benigno V. Aldana National High School, we turn curiosity into innovation and ambition. Whether you dream of building rockets, saving lives, designing the biggest breakthrough, STEM is your launchpad. Discover, invent, and lead.
If you want to become a future entrepreneur, accountant, manager, or business leader, then ABM Istran is for you. It equips you with the skill in leadership, communication, problem solving, and dedication making that you need for college, career, and real-life challenges.
Humanities and Social Sciences focuses on the study of human behavior and societal changes, as well analysis, art, culture, literature, and politics.
And in this strand, speaking skills will be developed, interpersonal skills will be achieved, writing skills will be improved, and young students will be able to open their eyes and within their minds about what is happening around them.
From agent to code, master the art of everyday life and digital innovation in the TVL strands, home economics and ICT pathways. You'll bake your dreams and program your future with hands-on skill that open doors beyond our classrooms.
If you want to become a chef one day, then home economics is for you. This strand is ideal as it develops skills in cooking, baking, and table setting. This skill learned are applicable to both personal life and future careers, providing a strong foundation for a better tomorrow.
In our generation, technology shapes everything we do. And if you want to dive deeper into this digital world, the ICT is run for you. Embrace your curiosity, master the tools, and become innovator who could tomorrow break truth.
Electrical and technology are changing the world, and you can be part of it. EIN Strand offers a wide range of jobs from installing electrical systems to building computer networks. It is a chance to be creative, solve problems, and make a big impact.
We also have GAS. You got the flexibility to choose subject that truly interests you, paving the way for your future dreams.
You can focus on subject that will be useful in college and gain a broad knowledge across various fields.
Benigno Vialdana National High School, we don't just teach, we inspire. We don't just prepare students for exams, we prepare them for life. Every classroom echoes with ambition. Every hallway carries the footsteps of future leaders. Here, every learner is empowered to dream boldly, think critically, and lead confidently. Bivans isn't just a school, it's a launchpad for greatness. Join us and be part of a legacy that continues to shape minds, uplift communities, and transform futures.